In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your social media calendar in Buffer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to review your upcoming posts, spot gaps, and quickly schedule fresh content so your week or month is fully planned and stress-free. First, open Buffer. Once you're in, head straight to the calendar. You'll find it on the left sidebar. The calendar view gives you a clear visual snapshot of what's coming up so you can make decisions at a glance without clicking into each individual post. Start by reviewing your scheduled posts for the week or the month. This overview helps you confirm what's already planned and how it ladders up to your goals. If you're running a campaign or promoting something time-sensitive, this is where you'll see whether the messaging flows logically from day to day. Switch between the week view and the month view to get different perspectives. The week view is great for fine-tuning the immediate schedule. Perfect if you want to check what's going out tomorrow or balance the timing across a few days. The month view helps you zoom out and ensure you're maintaining a consistent cadence over a longer period, so you don't accidentally go quiet for several days and then post everything at once. Now check for empty posting days. These are your content gaps. Look for dates with no scheduled items and consider what would serve your audience best on those days. Maybe a quick tip, a product highlight, a testimonial, or a reminder related to your ongoing themes. When you find an empty date you want to fill, click it to create a new post. This opens the composer right on the calendar, keeping your planning flow uninterrupted. Add your caption first, keep it clear and on brand, and make sure the first line hooks attention. Next, add your media. Images or short videos usually perform well and make the post more engaging. Finally, include your hashtags. Choose ones that are relevant to the content in your audience. Keeping a small set of go-to tags can streamline this step while maintaining reach and consistency. Once your post looks good, click Schedule Post. You'll see it appear on the date you selected, so you can immediately confirm that the gap is filled. Repeat this process until your calendar is fully organized. Work through each empty date, review the balance of topics and formats, and keep an eye on overall frequency. With a few focused minutes in Buffer's calendar, you'll maintain a reliable, consistent posting rhythm that supports your goals without last-minute scrambles.